Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. Right here in my hands, I've got another absolutely mind-blowing project. This one was created by my incredible friend. I actually had the pleasure to meet in person. She came to the in-person class a couple weeks ago. She flew all the way from Washington. Her name is Cheryl Torbett, and I absolutely Cheryl, you are an incredible artist and just such a beautiful person inside and out. I had so much fun hanging out with you and everybody else, and I want to thank you so much for allowing me to borrow your book so I can share it with everybody. I mean, her take on the Petals mini album has completely blown my mind, and I cannot wait to get into it with you. As you can see, she's already got so many beautiful clusters on her. She even embossed kind of a piece of cardstock here, it seems, and then wrapped a very thin piece of chipboard here. Just the detail is mind-boggling. This is one of the most beautiful nature albums I've ever seen. Look at the spine, and it comes from the back. She said, oh, that was just a little boo-boo, but I mean, honestly, I think I might even want to take an image like this and wrap it from the back towards the spine. Isn't that fantastic? Look at this beautiful, oh my gosh, the gingham page here with the greens and the whites, and this whole paper line has my heart, and she's used it beautifully. I mean, look at this. It's an absolute work of art. And look at even the ribbon she used, it just goes with it perfectly. It's this super sweet, ornate, sort of satin embossed style ribbon here. Never seen anything like that before. Everything just goes together perfectly. I love these embossed leaves here on this piece. And it looks like she's even used washi tape throughout this. So you can see some here on the spine and on the top and the bottom as she carries these beautiful butterflies throughout the entire book. Look at this gorgeous cluster. Is that fantastic or what? I just love it so much. Cheryl, you just blow my mind. And this enamel dot, I think is like a little indication of a door. Yep, little magnetic closure here. Look at this. Fascinating, just fascinating and fantastic. I love your little cluster here as well. This chipboard tag she had from the paper collection, I'm assuming. And she tied some of this gorgeous nature-colored twine big bow right here. And then she's got some journaling lines inside this awesome little magnetic feature right on the front cover. And you can remove and place a photo inside here. She just has this as a little indicator. A little tuck spot as well. Just gorgeous. I mean, wow, everything about it. The composition is so much fun. And I like this kind of book page paper back here, very collage style, and she backed that butterfly on some black cardstock and cut around it, and this is a nice chipboard element. It seems very thick. I think that even may be wood, actually. How awesome is this? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get into it. Again, she followed the Petals mini album tutorial, so I'll leave a link to that class down in the description, but oh my gosh, look at this. She said she did some modifications, so I'll go ahead and point those out here and there if I can remember what they are, but look at this beautiful array of embellishments. On the front and side cover, we have like these two tuck spots here. This slides out, and she's got this gorgeous little flower stamp right there to indicate where the photo goes. Just love that customization there. A nice little ephemera piece right in the middle, and then picture space on the front and back. One fine day. I love your tab and your polka dot page. Just fantastic. Love this green too. Look at this, another little cute little insert that comes out of here. Let me go ahead and get a close up on this. Look at this. Wow. Cheryl, just when she brought this to the show and tell table for our in-person class a couple Saturdays ago, I didn't get a full opportunity, so I'm so excited to go through this all the way through, taking my time and just exploring your book, Cheryl. This is just already so much fun. Love this flap here. She even went around what I seem to see some sort of border strip here and matted that adorable picture mat spot right here. And then she has some awesome little embellishments there. This paper is gorgeous. Where did you get this paper? This is awesome. I'll go ahead and leave the name of the paper when she shares it with us down there. Just so gorgeous. I'm speechless. When she brought this to the show and tell table, like I said, friends brought their books to the table, and during our break, we got to admire everyone's books that they brought. Look how cute. I mean, look at this. Just beautiful. Simply beautiful. This is one of the additions here into the book. She likes to add extra little flaps for little customizations and extra photo and journaling spots. And look how adorable she tied this into an eyelet and stuck a tag right there. Love that. Super cute heart right there. And then on the back, she's got some more matting. So this page here and this one here are little additions. Love the customization. See how easy it is to kind of just customize these book designs? Love your journaling lines around those little picture mat spots. She did the same thing here. This paper has a lot of green in it, but it just feels so good to look at. It's divine. Cheryl, best ever today. Look at this beautiful spot for a picture there. And this right here is what absolutely boggled my mind. She added these charms like we did in class. Look at this one. Is that gorgeous or what? It's like almost like a copper painted little leaf. She said she had it in her stash and she attached it. She saved it for the perfect project, and look how precious this one is. And it just glimmers. Wow. Breathtaking. Just absolutely breathtaking. These are magnetic flaps. She's got a cute little, love your little punch right there, Cheryl. And she stuck some little cut aparts in here and another little picture mat spot for you to put your pictures or journal. Just gorgeousness. 100% gorgeousness. I mean, wow. This gingham page, honestly, has my whole heart. Just love it. And that snaps back closed. And then this one opens up as well. More little fun goodies in here. What did she put in this one? More cut aparts, beautiful memories. Love this paper collection. Just gorgeous. Every page turn is just this beautiful adventure into this paper. And then these flip over here. Oh yes, I love how you customize that. She chose 2 different small picture spots and then a larger design paper piece here. Gorgeous. This is, I love it. It looks like she inked around those little edges of that butterfly there. Just mind-boggling. A couple more additions into the book. She added a couple more flaps right here. See, it's just so customizable. I love it. The tutorial she followed is the Petals mini album, and then she added her own little additions. I mean, Cheryl, this is just beautiful. Oh my gosh. Another little page addition right there. I love how you use this ivory colored cardstock too. It blends seamlessly with this paper collection. And check out this gorgeous charm she used for this little pouch flap. Is that fantastic or what? And I even had the opportunity to sit down and film a podcast episode with Cheryl. So if you're part of the community and part of the membership, you'll be seeing that episode come out soon. I can't wait to show you guys our conversation. She's just an amazing person. And I've just cried several times after thinking about the event and meeting everybody in person. It's just been it's just enriched my life beyond words. Look at how awesome. Look at everything that she fit in here. All these picture mat spots, 5x7, 4x6. I mean, you name it, it's in here. Gorgeous pocket. Look how the butterflies just fit perfect on this pouch. Cheryl, you have the eye. You just have an amazing eye. Oh my gosh. I love her enamel dots in the corners too, these little details. Totally inspired by you, Cheryl. I'm gonna need to incorporate some of these enamel dots into my projects. I love it. Oh, I love how she just left that blank. And she even did some matting where she brought the design paper to the very edge. I noticed her style, and I think it's just fantastic. It very much so immerses you into the entire paper collection. I mean, take a look at this. We don't even need to mess with that page. It's so gorgeous. We'll just leave it. Here's her beautiful little flap here. And then some journaling lines on the back. Gosh, I love your little journaling lines, Cheryl. They're just beautiful. A nice 5x7 spot here. More embellishments and inking, and then some more pouches. She held on to the same base of the Petals mini album, but she just did a couple additional flaps here and there. And look at this again. Glimmering butterfly with the rhinestones in it, and another one of those precious leaves. This paper is blowing my mind. Look inside and the enamel dots in the corners, different colors. It's just, your eyes just dancing around her book. We want to look everywhere. She's got the whole coordination and balance of colors and patterns just absolutely perfectly throughout this entire book. It's perfect. I don't even think there's any more words. I just love hearing that snap. That is just beautiful. Look at some more goodies in here. Ah, yeah. You cannot go wrong with this paper. Wow. Some more of that gingham. And just, oh my gosh, on the back of this, look at these enamel dots right here. Love, again, your small photos, but look how she just blended the pages together. See all these colors? Just so much love went into this. I can just feel it in my hands. This is just brilliant. Love those enamel dots right there. Such a nice little touch. This back and side cover now that we're on, a nice little foresplay and a beautiful 4x6 photo can fit on back here. I love how you just, oh my gosh, everything you did is perfect. I don't even have any words left, Cheryl. Live simply. And look at this cluster right here down at the bottom of this little tuck spot here. Better together with you. Make the most of today. Oh, I love that. And you even added a sticker to your tab here. Oh my goodness. This has been an absolute pleasure going through your book. Cheryl, you're just an amazing person and an incredible crafter. Every single page has been so well thought out. Your balance and just coordinating pieces. I mean, you've allowed the paper to speak in such a beautiful way. And I love your little additions in here. I love this pop-up little heart embellishment right there as well. Every page turn, just invokes such a feeling of inspiration and just gorgeousness. And I just love it. Look at this blend. As soon as you open the book, it's just beautiful. I want to thank you again, Cheryl, so much for spending your time with me and everybody on Saturday. It was just absolutely an honor to meet you in person. Thank you for allowing me to borrow 2 of your books. Guys, I have another one I want to share from you from Cheryl and Pamela as well. I just feel so unbelievably lucky to have met you all in person. And Cheryl, thank you so much for hanging out with me on that podcast episode. I can't wait to edit it and release it to everybody so we could just learn more about you and how we all just think alike in this beautiful, creative, crafty community. Cheryl, I'm giving you a nice big hug, and everyone else, thank you so much for spending your time with me today to go through Cheryl's book. I just love it so much. She's fantastic. She's amazing. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you next time, Cheryl, if you can make it out to the next in-person class. A nice warm hug again for you, Cheryl, and everyone else. I'll be back to share Cheryl's other book as well as Pamela's. I'm wishing you all an awesome day, and I'll see you soon.